Jacobson, Artsy Fartsy Life, and today we're going to be making this wicked cool vision board art journal for 2021. Today I am going to be putting together the big parts of my vision board. So I made this rainbow folder. I have a video on how I did it. It is all tissue paper and washi tape and acrylic paint and stencils and glaze. It's really cool. I love how it came out. And so I'm going to make it my vision board for 2020. So the first thing I did was I went to my magazine stash, and I just got a new Jeep, and one of the things I want to do is pay it off, but it's super exciting to me. And then I have cocktails, because I like cocktails. And then I have little owls where you can see their legs, which I'm fascinated with. And I have a cat. And I have dogs, because I love cats and dogs. And here is a vacation home that I want to get. So the thing that you need to do for your vision board is do it the way you want to do it. So mine is a mix of things that I love and words that I love, and then my goals. So those are all mixed up together. We're going to lay out our pictures. So I think I want this cat on the front. This really makes me happy. And I have another cat, so I gotta come in from the side. I need a square side to bring my cat in. Maybe it'll be this back page. Ooh, he contrasts over here, awesome. Okay, so he's gonna come over here. That's easy. So we have first page. Now, I need a light part. Do we wanna do our cocktails all together? Oops. Get it where you can see it too. Hold on, no worries. Gotta move my papers over here. Okay. All right, let's go. Papers over here, papers over here. Okay. So, okay. So, do we want our cocktails? I have one more cocktail over here. Do we want two? Do we want just one? Because I can cut it. I feel like this is a little big. I want my whole page to be cocktails, so I can just cut this down. Okay, and let's cut this down. And then they're almost stair-step cocktails. There we go. I kind of like that. All right, let's see what we do with that. I may use those, I may not. It's okay. All right, so now, oh, I have a bee. So this has to go in the top of here. Or do we want him in, oh, in the green? He kind of pops, huh? How about if we do half and half? We'll put him there. Okay. And we want to mix things together, because here is some money that could, see how there's a missing part? But this could fit right in here and go together. Oh, I love that together. Okay, that's going to go together. Down here. Okay, that I like. All right, so we're going to, so this is repositionable. Nope, we don't want repositionable. We want stuck. So I'm going to use sticky tape to start putting a few things down. Now that all that's in, I'm going to do my super sneaky trick where I write my words on tissue paper and then glue them so that I can't make mistakes. I have a whole video about that. I'll make sure to go ahead and link that when I get. Okay, so I have my art journal done. I'm going to be journaling in it over the year, but this is my 2021 goals. I put some quotes in here, a little cat, and then 10 times my goals, and you can't give up. If you give up, you're like everyone else. Chris Everett said that. Believe what you do makes a difference, and you have to decide of what kind of difference you'll make. And I can't remember who said that, but when I do, I will journal it in here with the words. And I'll keep you guys updated through the year about what I'm doing in here. So this one is, I got a new Jeep, and I love this. I love roulette and gambling. And Wayne Gretzky said this: you miss 100% of the shots you don't take, and I want to make sure to have focus. And this one isn't necessarily, so orbit means that you're doing a video a day on YouTube, which is what I'm doing next 2021. I don't necessarily think I'm going to get to fly this year, but I do want to get to go places. So for me, that represents it. And Walt Disney said this: the way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. And this is a little beach house that could be part of my goals. So mine is half, like I said before, mine is half like what my goals are, and then just things that make me smile. So this is my chair that I want to get this year. That's a big goal for me, because my chair isn't all that comfortable, so I want to get one that is. And this is a cat bothering the person working on their media, which I have a dog bothering me right now, and I love this Rosie the Riveter. I gave her some wings, and talking about my Jeep again. I love my Jeep too. Some money, the orbit on YouTube. I want to get 1 million hits a month on my blog post videos. So that's a big goal. I would like to have like a little, like cottage or something. So that's what that is. And this is make art. So here's a piece of art. I want to remember to make art every day. And then this is just fun. This is American Pharoah, and he was a Triple Crown winner with Bob Baffert, which I love horse racing. And I know that lots of horses that are good love horse racing, but I don't know that they all have a great time doing it. So I'm kind of up in the air about that. And then I'm just fascinated by owls that have their legs sticking out. And When You Know Better, You Do Better was by Maya Angelou. So that is my 2021 art journal vision board.